Hello everyone. Today let's start stack programming using array. Here we have C++ program which represents the stack usage. Here we have class stack array, top of the stack function where top is initialized to -1, the initialization value, push function to insert an element into the stack, where in this push function it will insert an element on the condition if the top of the stack is maximum -1, that indicates that stack is full or overflow. ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಯೂಸರ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಐಟಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಐಟಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್. Next function is pop function, which is used to remove an element from the stack. Here it will check whether the top of the stack is -1. If that is the case, stack is empty. You cannot remove an element from the stack. Otherwise, the top of the stack will be removed. See, top of the stack element ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಪಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೀಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಪೀಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟಾಪ್ -1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಡ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೀಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. Next, display function. Display function is used to display the contents of the stack. It will check if the top is -1, that indicates that stack is underflow or empty. Otherwise, starting from the top till the last point, the display will be done for stack elements. In the main function, here stack is having a menu for 1 push operation, for 2 pop operation, for 3 peak operation, for 4 display operation, for 5 exit. So here you have to enter the choice. If the choice, based on the choice, the operations of the stack will be done. 1 kotre push agate, 2 kotre pop, 3 kotre peak, 4 kotre display, 5 kotre exit. Based on your choice, case 1 push operation, case 2 pop operation, case 3 peak operation, case 4 display, case 5 exit. ಪೀಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಪೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಡ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. So let's your operations be 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for peak, 4 for display and 5 for exit. So let me give 1 push operation and I am entering an item 100. Now 1 element is added to the stack. To display that, give 4. Now see, stack content are 100. Okay, 1 element is added. Let's add one more element with the option 1 and I am adding 200. So now stack has 2 elements. Now display it. See now 200 and 100. See, stack works on the basis of last in first out. The element which is added in the last will be the element which is placed in the top of the stack. So 200 is in the top of the stack and 100 is in the next position of the stack. Next again give the next element like 300. So now again display. Now totally you have 3 elements, 300 in the top, next element is 200 and other next element is 100. So totally 3 elements are there. Now give 3. 3 is peak. The only top of the stack will be displayed. See now top of the stack is 300. That 300 is displayed. Now let's pop the element from the stack. Remove an element from the stack. So I am giving the option 2. When you want to remove the element, only top of the element will be removed first. So top of the element is 300. So 300 is removed first. Now again if you display, the stack is having only 2 elements, that is 200 and 100. Again if you want to remove an element, again top of the stack will be removed. The top of the stack is 200 and again if you want to display, only 100 is left out, and even if you pop that one, 100 is also get removed, and it's now the stack is empty. So you again, if you want to display, it will display nothing because the stack elements are removed, all three elements. So now it shows stack is underflow or empty. So stock operations are completed: push, pop, peek and